How to change your Gmail password on PC. It will be a step-by-step process to change password, the Gmail password in PC. So open your browser and then open google.com. So once you open the google.com, we need to click on the top right corner where you have your profile pic. So once you click on that, we will get an option, manage your Google account. Once you click on that, you will see a lot of options: home, personal info, data and privacy, and we need to click on personal info. And then we need to scroll down and you will find many options, and we need to scroll down to find other info, preferences and Google service. And there you will find the password. A secure password helps protect your Google account. So to change your Google or Gmail password, we need to click on this and it will ask you to enter the existing password, and once you enter it, you will get this new window to enter the new password. And you need to use at least 8 characters and do not use password from any other site. Alright, and please make sure you do not mention any obvious things like your pet's name or anything. So use the strong password whenever you change your password. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next helpful tutorial. Have a wonderful day.